Hi, my name is Brian Melito with BurnBrite Fireplaces. In this video, we're going to replace the glass panel on the BurnBrite 50-inch electric fireplace. To remove the glass panel, we're going to remove the two silver screws securing the glass panel. There's one screw on the left-hand side of the fireplace and one screw on the right-hand side of the fireplace. First, we're going to remove the screw on the right-hand side of the fireplace. Next, we're going to remove the screw on the left-hand side of the fireplace. Now that we've removed the glass panel screws, we're ready to remove the glass panel. To remove the glass panel, grab the glass panel and lift straight up and pull the glass panel out towards you to remove the glass panel. Once the glass panel is removed, we're ready to remove the two brackets holding the glass display panel in place. There is one bracket on the left-hand side of the fireplace and one on the right. We'll remove both brackets. Once both brackets are removed, remove the glass display panel. If you have any questions during your repair, please feel free to contact us at 866-450-8852.